Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. To begin looking over the infographic, the first part to analyze is proximity. Proximity helps provide a pattern that the audience can follow. In this infographic, I have the descriptions of the infographic in red in a good and similar alignment with the graphs being on the left side. Both halves of the infographic are parallel with good spaces in between to show organization of content. This infographic contains a focal point to show the importance of the matter that this infographic is targeting. We want to spread awareness concerning heart disease, and providing a significant statistic is important to spark attention. Other subdominant focal point levels include the different visual representations shown, such as line graph, isotype, bar graph, and pie graph. This helps provide a visual understanding of the current statistics concerning the heart conditions. To the previous type of focal points, I have provided text which could be a supporting level that should provide some context to the statistical data provided. As mentioned before, I have provided an isotype graph that contains icons, the hearts, in the graph. This helps add visual interest to the statistical data explained in the infographic. Now, to look for the infographic as a whole, I have made color choices that help provide harmony to the overall look. The colors that are being used include black for the main title, gray for the small titles, thesis, and the conclusion. The final color is red, which is used mostly in the descriptions text in the category of this infographic. The amount of color used follows the 60-30-10% rule, where 60 is used by red for descriptions, 30% is used for gray color, and 10% used for the main title. With the font color, it is essential to look at the contrast of the infographic. Contrast explains the difference in saturation between the background and the text. I have chosen a white background, which is effective considering that the red and black use white backgrounds for best difference in visual weight. The last part of the infographic includes the font that are being used. I am using Times New Roman for the title and Arial font for the descriptions, thesis, and the conclusions. A combination of serif fonts and sans serif fonts help provide a context that builds on the overall view of the infographic. After all, the elements discussed are combined together in a vertical alignment. This helps the reader read in an orderly manner, which helps deliver the message of the infographic. Let me know if you have any questions about my design choices. Thank you.